played with him before.
I've seen him around.
Mm-hmm.
Every fucking six-man club is good. The ones that aren't don't make it.
Welcome all of you in as we get set for another hockey match. We'll see what we're going to have in front of us tonight.
Gary, I think it's going to be a good battle. I mean, these teams like to go at one another. Let's fasten our seatbelts and get ready to go.
Stick on the puck, knocks it away. Well, he wants to pass this. There's a pass up ice. That'll go to the point. Big-time shot. That one not even close.
Well, there's losing a shot, and then there's that one. It was way over the net.
Risks it. Big opportunity, but that one wide of the net.
Nope, no credit for a shot on goal on that rip.
Linden. That puck was up for grabs. He's got it. Oh, he's leaving everybody behind him. What magic in the offensive end. Up against the boards behind the net. He'll lug that puck from the point. Pass up the middle. Pope checks that one away. Loose puck in the zone. He's got it. Got it. To Lucic. What a move. He's out. Well, I'll tell you something. Early on, they are really aggressive on this forecheck. 2-on-2 the other way. Controls that one. Breaks up the play in his own end. On a breakaway. Oh, what a save. He'll move it himself. Owens wants it out. Breaks it up. Picks it up in the slot to Suter. Picks that one up in the offensive zone. That is a shot that's going to be repeated. I guarantee you'll see it on the NHL Network. In the neutral zone, Pope checks it away. Owens. And there'll be a delayed penalty. Arm is up. To Suter. That one covered some ground all the way up to the neutral zone. Takes a hack at it. Team's going to get the extra one out as the goalie heads to the bench. Good play with a stick. Has that puck at the point. Able to pick that puck up and able to control it. There's the whistle. Now we'll get the penalty. Backus's penalties, 2 minutes. It's going to be for roughing. Ties it up and leaves it for his teammate.
15 minutes, 51 seconds.
Linden. That'll get a whistle for the offside. Under 4 minutes left to go. We're in the first period. And this one remains scoreless. They'll start this rush from their own end to Linden. To Bonage. Center ice poke check. We'll move it away. Owens. Center ice to Lucic. Big snapshot. Not a very good decision. Save made on a shot that never had a chance of going in. Breaks up the offense. Center ice poke check. Knight. Picks it up in the offensive end. And a good pass up the sideboards. Shot, scores! Power play goal. Knight.
By number 20.
Good work as he got the stick in. Pokes it away at center ice.
17 minutes, 49 seconds.
Through the middle. Closing in on the end of this period. He's got the puck. How could he miss that? Offensive chance. That's a great place for a shot. Squeezes the legs. He's on the ice and he's got the puck. Real nice play and a scoring chance, Bill, off that wrist shot.
Well, let's just call this goaltender the problem solver because the turnover created one. He solved it.
Trying to clear that puck. Good stop made. That did not clear the zone. Great movement right there for the goaltender and off that one-timer. And a third of the way through regulation in this one. After one, it's 1-0. Sometimes in hockey games, Bill, you got to stand up and answer. So far, that hasn't happened here.
Yeah, I'm not sure how long this can go on. I mean, you can't play a game when you're on the receiving end of all of these hits.
Second period starts. Good possession right there along the point. Oh, what a rocket. One-time chance, goalie save. What a move. Puck loose, picks it up. Good poke movement. Breakaway opportunities, carrying the D. Scores! He's got a shot at a trick. That's his second. Good goal coming still early enough in a game so that you've increased that lead substantially. The question is it a put-away goal early in a game?
No, not yet. I mean, there's so much time left, anything can happen here.
To Backus. In front of the net. Look at the move. Pokes that away. Linden. To Backus. To God. 2-on-2 in the rush. God just turned that one over again. How many times is this going to happen and they're losing? To Ponich. He's created chances tonight, 2 assists so far in the game. Goaltender will cover that. Face-off coming. He scores! And now we've got 3 unanswered goals on the board. That goal will come off a slap shot, and in that high slot area, there's just no defender who's got time to react to it.
I don't know how you cover all of the cage opening, but this goalie just got beat inside the post.
Up the wing to Lucic. Oh, does he dance around him? Oh, there's a shot at goal-scoring area. Look where the puck ends up, and he was that close to the net.
He's almost in the corner. I mean, that's where his shot went.
Got to get out of the zone. He picks up the loose puck. Breaks up the offensive opportunity as he poke checks that one away. Rister, he shoots, he scores! And that's going to be 4 that are unanswered. We are in the second period, but I'm not sure it's going to matter very much.
All one-sided. I mean, check out the shot totals. Look at the goal totals. I mean, this is a massacre.
Time of the goal, 10 minutes, 20 seconds.
Tremendous deep move. Good chance. Scores! With that last goal, despite the